Hello and welcome to Nagaland TV. We have a special story. The much anticipated Union Cabinet reshuffle of NDA 2.0 will take place today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to induct some new faces, while there may be a change of portfolios for some. The cabinet reshuffle is taking place after around a month-long deliberation, which saw PM Modi hold meetings with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP National President JP Nadda in the capital. The PM also assessed the performance of different ministers. On this, we have a special report. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to reshuffle his council of ministers for the first time since returning to power with a thumping mandate in 2019. A final announcement in this regard is expected between 5:30 p.m. and 6 p.m. this evening. A meeting of the Union Cabinet is going on at this point of time to deliberate on the expansion. As per reports, the new cabinet could be the youngest council of ministers India has ever had. The central government will focus on the representation of women, SCs, STs and OBCs in the reshuffle. Sources said that PM Modi held a meeting with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP General Secretary Organization BL Santosh on Monday to finalize the names of leaders to be inducted into the Union Cabinet. Another meeting with Amit Shah, BJP Chief JP Nadda and Rajnath Singh was scheduled for Tuesday evening but was later cancelled. Meanwhile, Janata Dal United's Bihar President Umesh Kushwaha told media that his party would be joining the Narendra Modi government in the upcoming cabinet expansion. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar on Tuesday said that JDU National President RCP Singh is discussing the cabinet expansion with the party's NDA ally, the BJP. At present, Ramdas Athwale is the only non-BJP NDA ally in Modi's cabinet. The induction of a minister from JDU could change that equation. Several positions in the cabinet are vacant due to the exit of Shiv Sena and Shiromani Akali Dal and the demise of Ram Vilas Paswan of Jan Lok Shakti Party. Party sources had earlier stated that leaders from several key states like Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh are also expected to get a place in the new cabinet of the BJP as it aims to expand in these states in the future. The current strength of the Council of Ministers is 53, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. A maximum of 81 ministers, including ministers of state, can be a part of the Union Cabinet at any given time. National Desk, Nagaland TV. The reshuffle comes keeping in mind the future political challenges, including assembly elections due next year. The backlash over the government's mishandling of COVID-19 and the 2024 general elections, where PM Modi will seek a straight third term in office. That is all for now. Keep watching Nagaland TV.